Hey friends, if you encounter unexpected store exception error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first resolution is to disable startup apps. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Now go to the Startups app tab on the list on the left hand side and then click on status. This will arrange all of these apps by the ones which are enabled, prioritized. So right click on this and select disable any third party application which is unnecessary. Simply disable it. The next solution is to roll back the display drivers or rather update it first. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters, right click on the display adapter and update it. If this works well and good, if not then right click on it, select properties, go to driver, and if the option for rollback driver is available then roll it back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.